right, we're here at Bud Hobby. Aiden's gonna film the big old gauge train coming down the line. Here it comes. Sound of the train make. Big diesel locomotive, they go. Here it comes. Here it comes, buddy. Oh, look at that. You got the horn going for you. Pretty cool.
That was bud.
There it goes. Have not a sight.
Let's see the little one over here.
Coming. There he comes. Here comes the HO train. Coming down the line. Oh yeah, there's another. There's another one over here.
After you're done with this one, okay, honey?
Yeah, that's the end scale. What's nice is we can show people that you don't have to have all this space to do it. We just put that on a project board. We put some grass matting down on it. So you can
Mom, come here.
and put some track down, roadway down, some sidewalks.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, look at this one, bud.
There's another train, honey. Did you find it?
Got it.
Oh, you got it.
I started building this actually back in the.
You built this?
Yep, I'm currently building this right now.
Wow. That's cool.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
You did that whole little city thing there?
Yep.
Wow, that is really
That's what I
cool.
was into when I was a kid with HO, the small
Yeah, I remember your
exercise.
trains.
Right, and actually it was pretty easy to build. I mean, the buildings just basically stood on top of a very thin strip of balsa wood, and that was kind of cut to fit, and it was
Yeah.
painted with a concrete color, and then that was stuck down just using some Zap glue. That's it.
Really?
Yep, I got to add markings to the sidewalks, but I mean that's basically a quick and easy way to to do sidewalks.
Yeah, but that looks really good.
Appreciate it, yeah. So the roadway is actually a self-adhesive, flexible foam roadway. We sell, and by the way, everything on this layout we sell here.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And including that little lake there, that the trains
Oh,
currently
really?
traveling around. Yeah. Back in our scenery
And
section.
a little boat.
Yep. Well, the boat and the dock, it's a Woodland Scenics figure pad.
Oh,
Yep. So I had just stuck that on there with the boat and the lake.
okay. You like that one, Aiden? Isn't that fun?
Remember I bought him that M scale train
Yeah.
here.
I know, but he always talks about the trains here.
Mhm.
I want to go see the trains.
That was me when I was, oh my gosh, since I was like 6, or
Yeah.
whenever I first discovered this place. It was maybe about 2004, and I've been coming here ever since.
Really?
Yep.
Now you work here.
Yes, now I do work here.
I love it. Where we
Yeah,
grew,
he
I
likes-
grew up
he-
in Illinois. I moved to South Dakota in 5, and then 93 I moved here. But
Okay, cool.
they had turned in Aurora, Illinois, they turned the old railroad station, it was an abandoned line, into a model train club. The whole thing was a layout. Yeah, I'm sure you've seen it.
I actually have not, but I'm curious to look that up and check that out.
I used to have model railroading magazine and all that stuff.
Mhm.
I'm sure you're familiar.